What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you be changing out your back brake lights, tail lights on a Ford F-150 from probably about the 2009 to about the 2020. It's pretty much a simple job. You got to come back to your back, of course, drop your tailgate. Then you would use I believe it's a 5/16 pretty much. You'll have two screws. One will be here and one will be down here that you want to take out pretty much. One here and one here. And once you take those screws out, you'll have those screws out like that. And then all you have to do now is you want to come to the outside of it and you just kind of want to pull it. You kind of want to pull it, and all you want to do is first come out to the outside like this, and then just kind of wiggle it and pull like that, and it'll come loose just like that. And you'll have your whole brake light assembly will be out now, just like that. You'll have your whole brake light assembly out. And this is what you was pulling out. If you see these little pieces right here, there's one here and there's one there. These basically just go up into these holes right here pretty much. You'll just have some holes right here you pull them out of. Then of course when you want to change out your bulb, you just have to come right here pretty much and just spin it like that. And then your bulb will come out. Then all you have to do is unplug. These just basically unplug from out of this opening right here. Unplug your bulb, plug a new one in, and you should be good to go. And then once you're done, you can stick it back into your opening. Try not to touch the bulb with your hands, because if you do, it can get grease on them and make them burn out quicker. And of course, if you needed to completely change out your whole assembly, like say it got damaged or something like that, it got hit, then all you have to do is come right here and you just unplug this piece right here. I'll show you in a second. Kind of press like that and you will unplug it to where now basically you can have your whole assembly out, just in case you to change out the whole thing. Of course, the same way you get to your bulbs right here, you just screw that out and then put them back in. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your back brake lights on a 2009 to about the 2020 a Ford F-150. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.